Did you know that AI is transforming how we build work? From automating investment to uncovering hidden market trends, AI tools are revolutionizing the financial world. In today's video, we will dive into the most powerful AI tools you can use to supercharge your work. Let's get started. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. It's reshaping how we manage our money, invest wisely, and grow our financial assets. In this video, we will look at 4 AI tools that are game changer in personal finance and business wealth strategy. First of all, we have automate investment platform like Betterment and Wealthfront. This tool use AI algorithm to diversify your portfolio based on your goal, risk tolerance, and market trends. Instead of spending hours analyzing stock, let AI do the heavy lifting and keep your portfolio optimized. Next, let's talk about budgeting app like YNAB and Mint. These apps don't just track your spending. They use AI to analyze patterns, predict future expenses, and suggest better way to save. Imagine knowing exactly how much you will need for your goal in advance. Evaluation you could predict market trends. Tools like AlphaSense and Zest AI use advanced data analysis to identify trends, forecast market movement, and give you insights that would take a human analyst day to uncover. Perfect for investor and entrepreneur.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.
For business owners, tools like Jasper and Shopify AI suites are indispensable. Jasper helps generate AI-powered content, while Shopify tools optimize sales with personalized recommendation and dynamic pricing. Grow your business while saving time. Here is a bonus tip. Use AI for data analysis and visualization. Tools like Tableau and Microsoft Power BI, combined with AI integration, can help you make sense of large data sets quickly. Whether it's tracking KPI or understanding customer trends, these tools are essential. If you are ready to take your finance to the next level, don't wait. These AI tools are just the beginning. And remember, if you need data analysis, financial insight, or custom data visualization, I'm here to help. Reach out today for personalized support, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs. Thanks for watching.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.